Hey guys, here's the iPhone 12 mini. So I've got the 4 rubber bumpers in the corner, also have these strips along the inside there, so the phone is actually free floating inside the case. It's a free floating case design. This can be used as your everyday case. So that disc is removable. There's your phone case right there. Raised edges there to protect your screen, access to your ports, as well as your volume and power buttons. Got the camera lined up, flip that over, and there's the new Phone Skope logo, carbon fiber, pretty awesome. And this case, as you can see, a little bit different. This is a durable resin that's 3D printed. We also added a new little design. That is the iPhone 12 mini. You can pick that up today, phoneskope.com or any of our local retailers.